Hi, my name is Amanda Winalda. I'm an executive attorney here at Anderson Advisors, and we're here at day 2 of our tax and asset protection event in the beautiful Dallas, Texas. I'm here with Mandy Drysdale from IRA Club. Hi, Mandy. How are you?
I'm great. How's it going?
Good, good. So tell us a little bit about what IRA Club does.
So, we're a self-directed IRA company, which means that we take any type of retirement dollars that you've got or you want to start, and you can invest it in anything you're interested in. So, it's kind of interesting. The big companies like Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, they are the ones who put the restrictions on it. In fact, I didn't even know that, and I was a financial advisor back in the day. And so, they're the ones who said you can only invest in the stock market. But really, with a true IRA, you can invest anywhere. So this is how people get real estate, private equity, private loans, anything into their retirement, and then get those returns at the tax breaks that the IRA allows. So tax deferred if you have a traditional, or tax free if you have a Roth.
Nice. And so when you're talking about self-directed, that's what we consider like checkbook control, right? And what does that really mean for the IRA owner?
So you can actually do a checkbook, but you can also do a custodial account. Either one is possible. We'll do both for you depending on your situation. And it's definitely something you want to visit with me about. Not that we discourage one or the other. It's just that there's a place for both types.
What type of investments or alternative investments do most of your clients invest in?
Most of our clients are in real estate. So about 45% have either syndication or a rental property in their IRA. And then what's great is you can take the rental income and invest it into the stock market with just a click of the button. So we've integrated with a company called iFlipped so that our clients have that ability, so that you're not just stuck leaving that rental income sitting in a bank account not earning anything.
Oh, that's great. And then so in terms of the interface and the website, can you give us a little bit more information on how easy it is to sign up, how easy it is to manage the investments once you are signed up?
Absolutely. So we've done everything digital. So you would sign up online. There's a IRAclub.com, and it says get started, and that's the button that's going to take you right to the application. You'll fill it out. It's also a really good idea to set up an appointment with me. I'll sit down, we'll talk about what your goals are, what you're interested in, what kind of product's going to be best, because we do offer like Roth, traditional HSA, 401k, lots of different products, so we can sit down and discuss what's going to be best for you and then fill out the application right there. If you're pretty sure of what you want and you just jump on that website, fill it out. It takes about 15 minutes to fill out the application. And then once the money is in the IRA Club account, everything is digital. So you can invest in iFlip. There are certain companies you can invest in from our portal. Or you just give us a call. Some people just want to talk to a person. We're not a call center, so you'll always get a human, which is kind of crazy. And say, hey, this is the house I want to buy, or this is the company I want to work with, and we do all the documentation for you.
So there's it's not just they come to you, you set them up, and then you disappear. There's a lot of support along the way.
Absolutely. In fact, we're really known for our customer service. Once you open an account with us, you will get a client care specialist. It's Dan, Emily, or Jill, and they're amazing. And so you just call and you talk to them and say, hey, I have a question, or I'm ready to do this next investment, or I want some ideas, and then they'll help you out.
Okay, so if somebody's interested in getting started, what do they need to have to get started?
Some form of earned income and a driver's license and a social security card and a social security number.
And then they'll get to start an IRA brand new. Mm-hmm. And then if you have existing retirement accounts, what types of retirement accounts can you roll over?
So 401ks, 457Bs, pretty much any retirement that you've left, so it's a previous employer plan, a current IRA, Roth IRA, HSA, we can pretty much work with any type of retirement dollars.
And what about if you're spouses and you want to sort of combine forces or join forces with your retirement funds? What are some of the pros and maybe pitfalls in doing that?
Yeah, so that's the amazing part. My brother and I actually partnered on an Airbnb. So we put his Roth IRA and my Roth IRA together, and we bought a house. And it's great because it just allows you to have the larger dollar amounts. I didn't have enough to purchase that house on my own, neither did he, but now we're both earning about $800 a month in rental income. And so that's great. And it's percent in, percent out. So it doesn't have to be 50-50. It can be any percentage that you'd like. And it just really gives you the buying power to get into some of these better deals that you maybe couldn't do on your own. I will say that kids can do this. So we'll do and we call it cherry picking your deal. So Kasha, who's here this weekend, her son Charlie has an IRA. He was opened when he was 27 days old. And now they can partner his with hers into some of these lucrative deals so that he's going to have a retirement by the time he's one.
Really setting them up for success, right?
Absolutely. It's millions.
So how can people get in touch with you in IRA Club?
So right at iraclub.com, on the upper right-hand corner is a schedule a call, and my face pops right up. Or you can go to that Get Started button, and that application will pop up.
All right, that's great. Thank you so much, Mandy.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you. Thanks.